What are you doing?
Nothing. Just making lemon.
I'm just making lemonade.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah. Is it done?
Yeah.
That's not funny.
Sorry. Is it hard?
No.
It's not hard at all?
No.
Do you make good lemonade, Ian?
Yeah.
Yeah? Not too sour, huh?
It could be sugar.
It could be sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Could be part sugar.
See all those lemons? You have to do all of those. How much have you done already?
One.
Oh, not bad, not bad. Okay, have fun.